Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve business cash flow with credit cards, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to improve your business cash flow with credit cards can significantly benefit your operations. Start by assessing your current cash flow situation. Identify key areas where cash flow is tight. Evaluate your current expenses and income. Next, research different credit card options tailored for businesses. Look for cards offering rewards, low interest rates, or cashback options. Choose a card that aligns with your spending habits and business needs. Once you have selected a card, ensure you understand the terms and fees associated with it. Set a budget to manage your credit card usage effectively. Use the credit card for essential business expenses. This includes categories like office supplies, travel, and utilities. Monitor your spending regularly to avoid unnecessary debt. Pay attention to the credit card billing cycle to maximize your cash flow. Consider making payments before the due date to avoid interest charges. Utilize rewards programs to turn your spending into additional benefits. Analyze how these rewards can help further your business goals. Incorporate credit card purchases into your expense tracking system. This will help you maintain oversight of your financial health. Establish an emergency fund using the credit card for unplanned expenses. This can prevent cash flow disruptions when unexpected costs arise. Regularly review your credit card statements for any discrepancies. This will help maintain financial accuracy and prevent overspending. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure timely bill payments. Timely payments can also improve your credit score, enabling better credit terms in the future. Finally, evaluate the performance of your credit card strategy periodically. Make adjustments as necessary to enhance your cash flow management. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your business's cash flow using credit cards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.